Was supposed to be their home, but these minors were allegedly sexually abused by the caretaker in Bangalore, and no case was lodged and no action was taken for 2 days after the case was reported.
This was supposed to be a home, a safe haven for these girls. But instead, it will be etched in their memories as the place that scarred their childhood. Sexually abused, allegedly by the man who promised to keep them safe. The plight of these minor girls in the precious Thunderfeet home only came to light after one of the victims bared her heart through a letter to her classmate.
ನಾನು ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನಿದ್ದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಂಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಾಡಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ನೋವು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಹಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೌತ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆ ಥರ.
Prompting the school principal to take the matter to the Child Welfare Committee.
Prima facie, we found that the sexual abuse, that is aggravated penetrative sexual assault as per Protection of Children Against Sexual Offences Act 2012. Under Section 4 it is an offence, and prima facie we found that such offence has happened on children.
The Child Welfare Committee immediately swung into action, taking the matter to the police. But for the next 2 days, no case was lodged, no action taken, and the reason stated: lack of clarity in jurisdiction. But once the police zeroed in on the accused, his flimsy justifications failed to give him a convincing cover.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿಂದ 7-8 ಜನ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೋಗೋ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರಿದ್ರು, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಣಿಪುರಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ.
ಅವನು 600 ಸರ್
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
But when Times Now visited the Hostel of Horrors and confronted the wife of the accused caretaker, she vehemently rubbished the allegations.
Girls have made allegations of sexual harassment, madam. Did they ever come and complain to you?
Who?
These girls who are...
No, one day no complaint, madam. Mummy, daddy, pinching. You tell, don't pinch. See how is it? One girl, no say. God knows. One girl, mummy like that doing daddy, no say.
After the incident, 30 female inmates of the hostel have been shifted to another facility and the accused remanded to 15 days of judicial custody.
A teenager in her note has explained the sexual and physical harassment that she underwent being an inmate of this particular hostel. But when Times Now contacted the hostel authorities, they claim that these are mere allegations and have no truth to them. Well, the girls have been handed over to the Child Welfare Committee. But what is the truth? This will be revealed only through a thorough investigation. In Bangalore, with video journalist Vithal, Anusha Ravi for Times Now.